The Making of an Architect by Reyner Banham. Translation and illustrations by Ting Peck. Step 1. Curiosity. The architectural student must have an interest in the construction and creation of new spaces, a desire to build for the benefit of humankind. The student must seek to uncover the secret profession of architecture and the way they will use their newfound powers to change our world. Step 2. Inherited knowledge. The architectural student will engage in all manners of theory and practice. In theory, she will bury herself in centuries of the history of our trade and all of its significance, then taught to disregard it in embrace of current practice. She will become familiar with the old masters of the profession and well-versed in their contributions to the trade, then encouraged to dismantle their cult of personalities to uncover their faults and failures.
Le Corbusier's political allegiances have cast a shadow over his architectural achievements.
She will find her own heroes. She will be given more than a cursory education in mechanical and structural systems. She will read all of Reyner Banham's books on technology and architecture. She will be expected to understand how to temper the environment of a building perfectly. She will be imparted with the skills to do so in sketching, model making, technological wizardry, and expected to practice and perfect these skills with mind-numbing rigor until she is master of all elements. Step 3. Partnership. The architectural student now has equal knowledge of the art of architecture and the science of building, but she still struggles to balance beauty with functionality, seeing the two as separate entities. Enter the engineer. The engineering student and the architectural student will begin their lifelong partnership at the academy. Both have much to learn from each other and only the rest of their lives to do so. The engineering student must temper his pragmatism and the architecture student her idealism. The end goal is to produce architects and engineers who share an analytical capability and creative energy. Individuals who can pool their knowledge of systems and materials to derive new understandings. Who will work together seamlessly like the cogs in a machine to creatively engineer ideal solutions for the way we inhabit space. Together they will imagine new poetic ways of building environments for humankind.
I would very much like to see.
Step 4. Mechanization. The rise of the computer renders certain abilities of the engineer and the architect unnecessary. The machine has a superior skill set in flawless and efficient calculation and knowledge retention. It can be taught to draw, build, and even design better than the human hand. What the machine cannot be taught is inherent curiosity. It will not explore naturally without being instructed to do so. The architect and the engineer must continue to ignite each other's curiosity to stay ahead of the machine. The collective genius is our future evolution.